Bullish people think that Atlas will cost between 1 cent and 1 cent by 2030. Experts on the market agree that Atlas could hit 0.2025. Bearish. No money is expected to be paid for Star Atlas on the market in 2023. Presentation by Star Atlas NFTs, the latest obsession with the internet, is expected to affect the game industry. The most up-to-date innovation could change how online games are played. By combining NFTs with the game business and the possibility of the metaverse, you can see a change in the specialized market. Start is one activity that is getting ready for the next wave of video games. Star Atlas is setting up a double symbolic economy for a virtual game world set in the far future. Star Atlas players explore the vast void of space to find valuable NFT-based jewels. The game creates a metaverse experience by mixing blockchain systems with NFT in-game objects and specific designs. Advancement. What is Star Atlas? According to its white paper, Star Atlas is a multiplayer game with a space theme that runs on the Solana network. May work together to plan and fight their way into a landscape that has been ignored for a long time. In August 2021, Star Atlas will start making its first coin. It will focus on in-game resources based on the idea of non-fungible currencies, allowing users to manage and make money from their unique resources. Each part of Star Atlas is an NFT that has been added to the blockchain. The Star Atlas world is very big, and players have to go on a lot of hard, dangerous adventures as they try to build up their assets and outsmart other players in the metaverse. Star Atlas's involvement means that players can build huge cities and private businesses, or they can form decentralized, independent groups to take control of certain areas. When players play, they get virtual and game items that they can sell for real money. Star Atlas fully embraces decentralization, unlike most centralized gaming platforms that limit reselling and full ownership of game items. The game's NFT-enabled in-game items will be the sole property of the players, who can sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. The goal is to improve how time spent playing Star Atlas can be turned into a certified financial return on investment. Technical analysis is the study of resources by using technical guidelines. It is a way to look at the market using indicators made just for that purpose. Investors and brokers use this method to look for chances for investments or trades, depending on the situation. A lot of the time, a specialized analysis is based on reliable information about a source, like cost volume, that shows patterns that can be used to guess what is likely to happen. Key analysis is a full strategy that requires a deep understanding of accounting, money, and finance. For example, you need to understand macroeconomic issues, know how to value things, and be able to read financial records. For key dissects, you can usually use publicly available information like an organization's past income and total income to predict its future growth. Right now, Star Atlas is worth nothing. Atlas has changed 4.07% so far, and $1,021,921 have been traded. Star Atlas is currently the 574th most valuable digital currency, with a market price of $22,441,153 Using the above graph's overall strength file, moving weighted normal Williams fractal, and moving normal union difference, we can decide if Star Atlas has a bullish or bearish cost design. Going to be our price predictions are based on real-time data from the Star Atlas market, which is updated live on our website. This lets us make dynamic price predictions based on how the market is moving at the moment. Star value of Atlas in 2023. Star Atlas is one of the most surprising cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Atlas price gauge for 2023 predicts a big rise in the last part of the year, possibly all the way to $0. As with other cryptographic types of money, the rise will be slow, but there won't be any big drops. On average, the price will be $0. The price is very high, but it is possible soon, given the planned coordinated efforts and steps. Atlas is supposed to be worth nothing at the start. Star Atlas Value Expectation 2024. Every 2024 Star Atlas cost prediction has a lot of room for change because of the possible declarations of many new organizations and drives. We think the price of Atlas will soon be more than $0. Still, we should wait to put down any bullish trades until the Atlas's general strength file comes out of the oversold zone. Wagers taking into account the fact that the market is hard to predict Atlas will trade with a base exchange price of $0. The average cost of trading is $0, according to the Star Atlas value estimate for 2025. If the vertical design keeps going until 2025, it could be worth nothing. If the market goes through a decay, it could be good for Atlas. The goal might not be reached. Atlas is supposed to trade for $0 on average. A low of no money 25 Star Atlas value prediction for 2026. Assuming Star Atlas effectively supports the market opinion of people who are interested in digital money. The price of the Atlas coin could stay the same for the next 5 years, according to our predictions. Atlas will be green in 2026. Atlas is expected to reach and surpass its all-time high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be worth 1 cent, with a base price of $0 and an average price of $0. Star Atlas value prediction for 2027, based on a lot of Guanjing and expert research, we think that by 2027, the price of an Atlas will be worth more than 1 cent. With a starting price of 1 cent expected before the end of the year, Atlas has the highest value of 1 and Star Atlas value forecast 2028, based on things that are supposed to happen by 2028, we think that a bullish trend will keep bringing the average price to around 1 cent. If Atlas manages to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a maximum price of 1 cent. If Atlas doesn't get the support it needs by 2028, we could see a minimum price of 1 cent. Star Atlas value prediction for 2029, Atlas is working to make it easier for companies to work together. The positive trend from last year is expected to continue, so the base exchange rate has been set at 1 cent, with an annual cost close to 1 cent. By 2030, people expect Star Atlas to be worth $30,000. Star Atlas will finally do better than its previous ADH numbers and set new cost levels. The base price could be 1 cent, and the highest price could be 1 cent. On average, the price would be 1 cent. Star Atlas price prediction for 2030.